Hi, Sandy Nelson, and I just wanted to give a short testimonial for Dr. Rimka's 90-day site. I joined it April 1st. I was one of the, I think, early adopters, and as a result, I had the distinct advantage of being able to digest and take in each of the units of basic information that she provided as we went along. It was very interesting because in my own path, I have been pretty much, I've had a very clean diet for many, many years. I've been studying nutrition and supplements for decades, and I thought I knew pretty much where I was going. But when I heard the word pure carnivore as one of the things we were shooting for, I thought, well, okay, I do like my salads and my veggie every night, but I'll give it a try. And then Dr. Rimka began to provide us with concrete material, scientists who researched the area of plant toxicity and carnivore. All of that stuff began pouring out. As we read it, as we watched it, as we discussed it, it was a no-brainer. I mean, now I think I'm just going to stay carnivore the rest of my life. I mean, it's so happy and easy. You talk about simple. I mean, there's just no more issue about what to buy at the store or how to cook it. I love that. It's just so good, and I feel amazing. For those who don't know me, I am 68 in another couple of weeks, and I feel as though my ability to rise to the demands on my physical ability around here, where I do a lot of landscaping, I'm feeling great, stronger, happier, less distracted by things, and certainly any craving I might have had, they just sort of disappear. And I've also heard from others in the group that this is the case. So people are happy. The thing about Dr. Rimka is that she is very forthcoming with good, solid material that you can take a look at on your own time and make up your mind about how much of this you want to take in. The other thing about the group is the people. The group is amazing. The women there are irreverent, ribald, funny. We poke fun at each other, we poke fun at ourselves, but underneath that is this core of women who have been through it, who understand, who love each other, and take care. It's an amazing group. So if you're on the fence, like that one right over there, if you're on the fence, get off the damn fence, sign up for the class, get into carnivore, give it a try, and see if you don't find what we have, that we're having a blast. So lots of love to you all, and Dr. Rimka, thank you so much. This is wonderful. Bye-bye.